Hello everyone, my name is Mhoz Obed Zekaria, a lecturer at Frontier College. I want to discuss with you, why do you think some countries are developed and others are underdeveloped? Some of the countries in Africa actually are underdeveloped and others are developed. What brings that? That's a critical question. This Wednesday, I would like to invite you to discuss this question. It says, why African countries have failed to develop. Frontier College Public Speaking Forum welcomes you on Wednesday this afternoon. Thank you very much.